Hi, this tutorial is for administrators using Seesaw. Let's explore the admin dashboard. Think of the admin dashboard as your virtual portal into your school, where you can add admin, teachers, students, and classes, control school-wide settings for use, review school analytics, and interact personally with the learning happening in your school. Access the admin dashboard by logging in on a computer. This is your admin dashboard. Each tab gives you unique tools for managing and engaging with your school. Today, we'll dig into all tabs except the Skills tab. Let's get ready to explore. Your dashboard gives you a few ways to look at data. Get weekly engagement metrics on the Overview tab. Get all time engagement metrics on the Analytics tab. It's amazing to see these numbers grow over the course of the year. If you see family engagement metrics are low, you can focus efforts on increasing family engagement. If you see a class with tons of posts, you can learn from what they're doing and share those best practices with other teachers. In any tab, whenever you see these arrows under a metric, you can click the arrow to filter by that metric. Metrics in the Classes tab give you a summary of school engagement. In the Classes tab, you might want to filter by items this month to celebrate classes going above and beyond. Metrics in the Students tab help you see family engagement by student. In the Students tab, you might want to filter by connected parents to see which students still need a family member connected to their account. Then you can provide support to get those families connected. Lastly, let's go over student activity reports. This feature is located in the Admin Tools section. Definitely not to be overlooked. You can follow along and pull your own student activity report right now. Click Get Student Activity Report in the Overview tab. You'll receive two reports, one by student and one by class. As it says here, the report by student is great for leaders who want high-level insights into engagement, while the report by class is great to see activity by class, including which assignments have been completed. Both reports, including a number of fields like student name, class name, number of posts, the Seesaw activities they have and have not completed, and more. How might you use this report? During remote learning, it's a great way to track attendance. You can pull this each day to see who has and who has not logged in. It's also a great way to see which of your students need more support to complete activities. Play around with filtering this data in different ways and work with your teaching staff to determine the best way to share this data. Only administrators can pull this high-level data at this time. Another neat feature is virtually visiting classrooms. Virtually visiting classrooms means you can see and engage with the learning happening in your building from anywhere. You can visit more classrooms. There are two ways to virtually visit a class. First, in the Classes tab, click on any class. Or in the Teachers tab, click on a class name under any teacher's name. This is the class view. Teachers and students see this when they log into Seesaw. You can see the class name on the top right. Right now, we're in the Journal tab. The Journal tab shows all student work in the order it's posted. You can also click on any student's name to see work by that student. To get back to your admin dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top left, then click on your school name right at the top. You are also able to engage with student work. With Seesaw, you can show students you're invested in their learning anytime, anywhere. Students love when the principal notices their hard work. First, in the Overview tab, you'll see recent student posts from your whole school. Use the arrows to scroll through posts. Or you can engage with posts when you're virtually visiting classrooms. On any student post, you can like the post or comment on a post. You can leave a typed comment or an audio comment. Audio comments are great because they're quick to create. They're also more accessible to young and diverse learners. A like or a comment really can go a long way. Students thrive when they receive positive encouragement from the adults in their lives. Even a few interactions a day strengthens your relationships with your students. School-wide announcements. This is a top feature request that just launched. Go beyond event reminders and other logistics. With school-wide announcements, your superpowers become even stronger because it becomes even easier to communicate, share, and engage with your entire school community. You'll see the new Announcements tab on your admin dashboard. You can send announcements to any combination of teachers, students, and families by class in a school. If you want to send an announcement to all third grade students, you check the students, then edit classes to choose the third grade classes. You'll get to explore this in a minute. Add multimedia attachments to your message like video, PDFs, photos, collages, and more. When you click Add Attachment, you get access to all Seesaw creative tools. No more one-dimensional handouts. Click the 3 dots to edit the message. Note that you can only edit the content of the message, not the recipients. Only the original author of the announcement can make edits. You can also see who has viewed the message just beneath. Teachers and students receive school-wide announcements in the School Announcements section of the Inbox tab. Note that replies are disabled. Families receive school-wide announcements as a message from the admin who sent it. Note that replies are also disabled here. One of the greatest tools is translation. When families use devices set to a language other than English, they're able to translate all typed text in Seesaw, which includes the body of your announcement and captions. Seesaw automatically shows C translation when it's available. You just learned key Seesaw skills that will help you engage more deeply and consistently with your school. Thank you for joining us.